Hello there, I'm Bob Hagany, Advanced Technology Classrooms Operations Manager for Instructional Technologies. Campus Technology Services realizes how important it is for us to have working, dependable classrooms for you. This video will introduce you to our Advanced Technology Classrooms, or ATCs for short. Our ATCs are equipped with teaching stations, projectors, computers, DVD or Blu-ray players, document cameras, video monitors, and wireless clicking devices for advancing presentation slides. Most of the equipment's power buttons are labeled so they're easy to find. Equipment, size, and furniture layout in our rooms varies. In some large classrooms and lecture halls, for example, wireless clip-on mics are available. Other rooms may have television displays installed, while some may have smart boards. If you want more information on our ATCs, check out our CTS website detailing information about our classrooms. Before you start your presentation, make sure the AV components you plan on using are turned on. If you're teaching in a room with a touchscreen, you may need to wake it up. To do so, simply tap the center of the screen. To turn on the projector, press the projector power button located on the upper left-hand corner. The button icon should be flashing. It will take the projector about 1 minute to warm up and begin displaying. If no image appears on the screen or display monitor, please check to make sure the source you want to use is selected. To hide the image from being displayed on the projection screen, press the Picture Mute button, which is located below the projector power button. When pressed, the button icon will flash red. To unhide the image, press the Picture Mute button again and the image will reappear. The volume control is on the right-hand side of the touchscreen. To adjust the volume level of your audio source, tap the button up or down. Pressing the mute button will silence the sound altogether. The computer is normally placed on one of the podium shelves. When using the computer, you will be asked to log in using your LakerNet ID and password. You'll know you successfully logged in because icons will start populating the desktop screen. The computer also includes a CD/DVD drive. To open the drive, press the eject button on the front. To use the document camera, simply select its icon on the touchscreen. Place your document underneath the head of the unit. You'll have the ability to zoom in, zoom out, and focus the document in order to maximize the image quality. To use the Blu-ray or DVD player, select its icon on the touchscreen. To make menu options or selections, you can use either the touchscreen or the remote. To use your laptop, we recommend plugging it into the podium first, then select the icon on the touchscreen. If you are making a presentation and you would like mobility, most of our advanced technology classrooms are equipped with a remote control device for advancing slides. The remote also acts as a laser pointer. When you are through using the classroom equipment, please remember to log off the computer and turn off the projector. While most of our rooms are equipped with touchscreens, some rooms include control panels. Press the button of the source you are using. Once pressed, the button color turns from white to amber. To turn on the projector, press the display power on button. Once you press this button, it will flash for about 30 seconds. During this time, the projector is warming up. Do not press any other buttons until the flashing light turns solid. To adjust the volume, turn the volume knob slowly clockwise to increase the volume and slowly counterclockwise to decrease it. To hide the image from being displayed on the projection screen, press the Pick Mute button. Once pressed, it will flash red and the image will be hidden. To unhide the image, press the Pick Mute button again. The button will turn amber and the image will reappear. To turn off the projector, press the Display Power Off button. Once pressed, it will flash for about 1 minute, indicating the projector is shutting down. The majority of our ATCs include webcams for recording your lectures. Two of the most popular lecture capture and streaming platforms are Panopto and Zoom. Students will have access to the recordings through Blackboard. For more information about Panopto, Zoom, or streaming and recording your lectures, please contact CTS. Most of our classrooms are equipped with telephones. To receive media assistance or to report a technical problem, please call the ATC support desk at 3534. We're here to serve you Monday through Thursdays, 7:30 a.m. until 9:30 p.m. Fridays, 7:30 until 4:30. You may also leave us a phone message. We trust you'll have a good experience teaching in our ATCs.